Here is the Kia Forte. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is a primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right about the Kia emblem, right about that A, put one finger in there and then push it left. And while you're pushing it left, lift up the hood. See, this is the secondary latch that I was pushing left on. There it is. Now this hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod, put it right over there in the slot with the arrow marking it, let it go. Let's start with the passenger side bulb. That's the bulb right there. The way to access it is behind it. Yep, that's the bulb holder right there. The way to get it out is just grab it and twist it left a little bit. And that's it. Now it's loose and now you can get the bulb holder out. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and then pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it comes out. The bulb number is 168 or 194 or W5W. Get the new bulb, push it back in, and let's put the bulb holder back in the light. Now you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in. See, once it drops in, it's sitting flush. Now you can twist your right and you're done. Moving on to the driver's side, it is just as accessible, same process, but I cannot get the camera in there along with my hands. But I'm going to prove it to you that it is just as easy. Just watch it. I am able to easily get the bulb holder out. Same bulb, same everything, same process. Now when you're putting it back in, let me just show this to you from a different angle so you can see that I still have to do some twisting and turning before I can get the bulb holder to sit in flush and just drop in the light. It may take a few seconds, so just be patient with it. Now to twist it right, you may have to use both your hands the way I'm showing at the same time. Let's try this out. This bulb is working. That's good, and so is the other one. And that is looking good. Hope you found it useful. To close the hood, first push on the hood and get load off the prop rod. Get it out of that slot there. Put it back in its place. Now lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.